it's Miss Alana working on math, being smart, awesome, and amazing, just like you. We are working on today's math assignment. Bam, today is Wednesday, December the 7th. I have my sheet. Do you have your sheet? You better have your sheet. We are on the back side, flipping onto the back side, working on this first problem there, multiplying whole numbers. Let's begin by reading the standard. It says number and operations in base 10. Perform operations with multi-digit whole numbers and with decimals to hundreds. MGSE 5, NBT 5. Fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm or other strategies demonstrating a multiplication up to a 3-digit by 2-digit factor. In this problem, no, that's not what I want to do. I need to move it up. In this problem, we are going to use the standard algorithm area model to multiply the following numbers. We are going to do the standard algorithm and the area model. Let's start with the standard algorithm. Bam, that's right, 562. We have a visitor. Hello. Guess who it is? It's Miss Lacy. It's Miss Lacy. You guys want to see Miss Lacy? Miss Lacy right there. She brought the laptop card back because remember, there's an audit. They have to make sure that we have all the laptops and that we're using the laptops. We use them every day. Getting smart in reading, math, science, and social studies. All right, let's do this. 562 times 63. Let's begin multiplying with that 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Write the 8 plus 1 up top. Say bye, Miss Lacy. Bye, Miss Lacy. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Done with that one. Let's cross it out. Cross that out. Cross that out. Put your 0 placeholder right there. And moving on to multiplying by that 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Write the 2 plus 1 right here. 6 times 6 is 36. Plus 1 is 37. Write the 7 plus 3. Can you see that? 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 3 is 33. Now what do? We need to add them together. Help me add. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. Write the 0 plus 1 up top. 1 and 6 makes 7, and 7 more is 14. Or you can do 6 and 7 is 13 plus 1 is 14. Write the 4 plus 1 up top. 1 and 1 makes 2. Plus 3 is 5. Or you can do 3 and 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. And then, bam, that 3 comes down. What do we have? 35,406. Make sure you have your comma in the correct place. All right, now we need to do the area model. First, we need to write each number in expanded form. So write that 562 in expanded form. 500 plus 60 plus 2. And then 60 plus 3 over here. Let's draw our rectangle. Bam. 2 rows, 3 columns. So first let's multiply 500 times 60. Well, it's like doing 5 times 6 is 30. And then we add the 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Don't get confused. That 0 goes with that 30, okay? The next one is 500 times 3 is 5 and 3 makes 1,000. No, not 1,000. 5 and 3 makes 15. And then add your 2 zeros. 1,500. The next one, 60 times 60 is like doing 6 times 6, which is 36. And then add your 2 zeros. And 60 times 3 is like 6 times 3, which is 18, add 1 0, 180. Next, 60 times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12. Add your 0. 3 times 2 is 6. Bam. Now what do we do? All right, we're not done right there, okay? Some of you will just stop right there and then copy that answer. No. What do we need to do with these numbers? We need to add them together. But guess what? Miss Alana, I learned something new today. One of you in class, are you watching the video? What's your username? Corfi Delon? I hope I'm saying that right. Keep messing up that name. I saw her paper and I was like, what? You did something new, and that is a trick and a strategy that I think I'm going to show the students. I'm going to show you what she did. You know how I added everything together? Look at what she did. She actually added it one column at a time. Look, she added these numbers, then these numbers, then these numbers, then she put them together. Let me show you. So she added this right here. She did 0 and 0. That's a 0, 0, 5, 1, and then 3. Then she added these two numbers together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 3 by itself. And then she added these two together. 6 and 0 makes 6. 2, oh, just by itself. And then 1. Now, she just added these three numbers together. So instead of her writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all together, she added them like that and then added them together. So let's write that. 31,500 plus 3,780 plus 126. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 8 plus 2 is 10. Write the 0 plus 1. 1 and 5 makes 6. Plus 7 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. Or we can do 5 and 7 is 12. And then that's 13 and then 14. Either way, write your 4 plus 1 up top. 1 and 1 is 2. Plus 3 is 5. Or 3 and 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. And then that 3 is by itself. Put the comma. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Oh, look. 35,406. 35,406. Oh my gosh. We got the same answer, which means we did it right because we're so smart. We're so smart at math and everything else. And I love how I learned a new trick, new strategy today from one of you all, from one of my students, which then I get to show it to everybody. So we have so many, we even learned more strategies, getting smarter and smarter at math. If you need help with any of the other questions, go find the other videos. Sprinkles. Learning new stuff, sprinkles. Teach me new stuff. If you know new things, let me know. If you know something I don't, teach me so I can get smarter too. Love you.